Hi. Well, how about a tomato salad? Tomato salad, the Greek tomato salad, is an amazing salad. It's a famous salad. All over the world, people are asking for a Greek tomato salad. So, what makes it so amazing? What are the little secrets for the amazing Greek tomato salad? Okay, so we're going to discuss a few now. Of course, the star attraction is the tomato itself because we have 3,000 varieties. Now, which ones are the best? Well, a tomato for a Greek salad has to be nice and sweet and plum, and when you open it up, you see the sugar. It's very difficult to find tomatoes like those now. I was looking the other day all over the place, and it was very difficult to find a tomato like this, like they used to be. So now we have a tomato that is for the masses. We find them in the supermarkets. I call them plastic. What are you going to do? I call them plastic. They will not give you the desired result. Well, one of the secrets for the perfect tomato salad is tomatoes have to be room temperature. Imagine, when is a fruit perfect to eat? When you pick it up from the tree, when you get it from the tree and it's nice room temperature, and that's where you get the best taste. If you keep your tomatoes like we all do in the fridge, and we take them right away and we make a salad, it's going to be cold. It's not going to be able to release any juices. So they can mix with the olive oil and the oregano and the feta, and they can give you the best sauce possible. So if you have them in the fridge, get them out. Get them out for an hour before you want to make the salad. And you will have the best results. Of course, oregano, you have to crush it the moment you want to use it. And the olive oil has to be good olive oil. The feta, okay, you're probably gonna call me whatever, but if you want to have a Greek salad, the products have to be Greek. They do not have to be another nationality's products, okay? They have to be Greek. Those are the little secrets that will give you the best tomato salad possible. Those are the tomatoes that I have for my salad, but this one here, you can see the sugar. I just opened it up with my hands, and you can actually see that this is one perfect tomato salad. I'm making a salad for 2 people today, and some people like to cut their tomatoes like this. This piece is amazing. It looks good, but it's too big for my mouth. I like my tomatoes to be cut like bite sizes. They might not look perfect for some people, and actually, that's about it. But that's how I like them. I cannot stretch my mouth that much, especially when we are in public places. So this is my tomato, and that's how I like to cut it. Bite-sized pieces, so I can enjoy my salad. I like my watermelon like this, and all my fruit. I like them like this. I don't like them big. I like them small to enjoy them. Okay, so this is my tomato. Here now I'm going to put cucumber. And I'm going to salt my salad, season my salad. I'm going to season my salad now. Okay, it has to be nice and seasoned, because some people don't season it because of the feta. Yeah, but the feta doesn't apply, doesn't go everywhere. Feta doesn't go everywhere. So now I'm going to use my onion. I like to use my onion in rondelles. Look, that's how I like it. feta, and olives. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I like to cube my feta. This is nice like this. I like to cube my feta, and I like to crush my oregano, because that's when you release all the flavor and the scent and all the goodness. You crush it just before you use it. But in this recipe, I would like to add some capers. I love capers. You know that by now, right? That I love capers. I love capers. And the last thing I have to use is the olive oil. Be generous. Don't be afraid to use olive oil. This tomato is nice and plump, and it's going to release its juices. And with the olive oil and all the other goodness, you're going to have one perfect tomato salad. So this is my perfect tomato salad. It's ready. And as you can see, I have it in a bowl. It has to be in a bowl. When I go out and I see it in a flat plate, I really get annoyed, because you cannot really toss this salad in a flat plate. You cannot see the juices, and you cannot enjoy the salad. So, my word to the restaurateurs, have a bowl for the Greek salad, the amazing Greek salad, so we can toss it, and we can dip our bread. Okay, so we can have fun eating, because eating is a sport. Eating is fun. So that is my perfect tomato salad. Now is the season. I encourage you to go and find good tomatoes and have a decent, delicious tomato salad. And all this information most of the people know, but for all the young people that travel and they go to Greece and they have the tomato salad, and here at the restaurants, they should be able to know the difference. And this is why we're talking extensively about this salad. And it's my favorite salad. Not in the winter though, but now. So, enjoy. This is Litsa with love. Bye.